Hi ladybugs, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm really stoked. That's an Australian expression. I'm getting ready for my Australian Christmas with my sons. And this is actually Australian paper which I've never used before, Uniquely Creative, mind over matter, and it's just gorgeous. Look at the cutouts on the back of that. So I'm going to be making a tall skinny journal, and I'm going to be doing it on videos of it, because people have been asking me to do like another tutorial, and we'll use an envelope, a big envelope, for the cover, so I can show you also how I do my covers. So just to quickly look at that, polka dots, love them. I love polka dots. Just to show you this paper, because it's just too gorgeous. I really like it. More cutouts, and it's just so bright. It's pastels, enjoy every day. This is going to make a really nice journal, and the reason I am making this tall skinny journal is because of these, which will make great tall skinny tags. And then we got more tags there, so you go use whatever paper you want, of course. So this is like the introduction. More cutouts, which I will probably use. Woo, my eyes are going cross-eyed, and they cross-eyed again with that. These are also cutouts, so I will cut that out offline. I'm not going to do it on camera. I mean, there's 2 sheets of that, so I'll cut out one. And I don't like fussy cutting. Why don't they just make those dotted things around it, And this is lovely too, very nice. So this is going to be a lovely, lovely journal. I'll probably get 2 journals out of this, I think. And because I really do want to keep it small instead of making my humongous ones. And it's full of mushrooms, and I do have gorgeous mushroom stickers. So I am now going to go and gather the paper that I'm going to put. I think I will use some lightly colored tea stain paper, and the usual, an assortment. So join me on my next video, make this with me, and let's have fun. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.